Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add drift and scale animation in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your iCloud Keynote software. Then you have to open my presentation, and you can see here are many slides of this presentation. Now firstly go to the first slides and select the text and click the drop down menu, and you can see here a drift and scale animation. Now click this, then again go to the second slides and select the text box and click the drop down menu and click drift and scale animation. Now I apply drift and scale animation. Third slides, four slides. Now you can see here are slideshow play menu. Now click this. Wait a moment, our slideshow is starting now. Then click mouse and our drift and scale animation are showing. Now you can see a drift and scale animation in iCloud Keynote software in very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.